Why do I still want to fly helicopters? There's something about the anticipation before a flight, that moment of quiet before the rotors spin up, and never gets old. Every flight offers something new. The weather can change, the light shifts, the landscape reveals something unexpected. Helicopter flying is unique. We often work low to the ground, landing in tight, unforgiving spaces, operating in remote or rugged environments. That variety keeps the job fresh, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Flying a helicopter well demands constant attention and coordination. You never stop flying the machine. That challenge, that edge, is what keeps a lot of us coming back. The more you master it, the more satisfying it becomes. And then there's the access. Helicopters take you places others can't. Mountaintops, offshore rigs, firegrounds, glacier fields, remote bush communities. For those of us who value adventure and nature, it's a front row seat to the rawest part of the planet. But it's not just the places, it's the purpose. Helicopter pilots do real, immediate work. Firefighting, search and rescue, medevacs, disaster relief, community support. It's meaningful, it makes a difference.